Today I'm in the Pop Mart inside ION Orchard. This is the biggest fashion store in Singapore, so let's check out. This is the second time I've been here. There's lots of stuff, but every time I come here, it's like a new kind of experience. Look at that. They even have the pop wing. Mega Space Molly. Wow, look at this. The shaking of the boxes is to find out or guess what is inside the box by their sound, the shape sounds, and then the texture and so on, as well as the weight. And there are labels on the box as well. It looks very like interesting. The Skullpanda, Pop Molly, and the Poo. There's really lots of the Pop Mart right here. The items, the toys, and there's a long queue to the cashier. Wow! Look at all this. You'll be spoiled for choices with so many Pop Mart stuff. I think you can spend 1 hour easily here. This is the ION Fashion Store, the biggest in Singapore. They have other branches in like Plaza Singapore, and they sold out. Then there's a sticker there, sold out. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can find this video. Thanks very much. Only customers over 8 to 12 are allowed to make purchases. Maybe they are afraid that the kids will overspend the money. Oh, these dolls have hairs on it. Even the cat statues. Even the charging cables. Turbo. Justly leaked. Oh, look at what I found. They have the Hello Kitty. Oh, over there, 樱桃小丸子. I'm quite impressed with these collections right here. Very impressed with the collection right here. Very colorful, very nice looking. And not only that, there's a Pop Bean series with some kind of decorations. They say that it's not edible, so right here. And then next to all, there's a photo booth right here where you can take some selfies with the machine. Look here, smile. But then it's like $6. Let's try it. That's why I came here one time. I just it's $6, and then the payment is made by the card or mobile. They also have the mini size space money right here and over there. There are also this mini kind of plush toys Molly. It's very soft. Look at the Molly sleeping. Nemo is a shiny little boy. Wow. I wonder what is this? Some kind of pop bin. Nemo world. There's a big size Molly figure here and two smaller ones at the corner. And at the side of the store, there are other Pop Mart items like this Hero No. And also on the left side. Skullpanda, Nemo World, and the baby Tabby and baby Molly. Another special format, the Molly. It's a nice experience to shop here today, right here in the heart of Orchard, the Ion. And over there is the metro station, and that is to the Wisma Atria and Takashimaya. So thanks everyone for watching this video. I'd like to see you guys again in the next video, and take care everyone. Bye bye.